Hey guys, Rhett here. What is going on? I have some really cool news today. I am officially coming out with my Section 8 Landlord Certification course. Some of you have been asking me about this for a while, a purely online course dedicated to getting you your landlord, your Section 8 landlord certification, giving you all of the information that you need to be successful as a Section 8 landlord, complete with an exam to see if you pass. If you do, you get your certification, okay? It's jam-packed. It's a 5-module, strictly online video course of everything that you need. If you're at home and you're thinking about getting into Section 8, but you're not ready for my one-on-one coaching program, which is the best of the best. It's a handhold through this entire thing where you get personal use of all my contractors, property management companies, realtors, insurance teams, lending teams, attorneys, everybody. If you're not quite ready for that, this Section 8 Landlord Certification course is 100% what you should be doing. And if nothing else, it's going to give you such a leg up on everybody else who's trying to get into Section 8. You're going to go from whatever knowledge you think you have from the knowledge on this channel to an incredible amount of knowledge. Knowledge that has been built and grown over years and years and years of doing Section 8. Well over 1,000 units, about 2,000 units onboarded in the last 10 years between my own and my clients, where you can imagine every mistake has turned into a lesson, which has now turned into okay, what can we do to mitigate against that risk? And so we don't make that mistake again. So guys, the link to the Section 8 Landlord Certification course is right below in the description. I'm also going to put it right here on this video right now, so you can hit it and head over that way. Download it. You'll get everything. You're also going to get every single document on my website. So you're going to get my partnership agreements. You're going to get my Section 8 leases. Okay. You will get my Section 8 checklists for inspections, which is something that I want you to do. Every single article of what I put on my website, my personal PDFs, my financial PDFs, to judge whether your investment is good or not and how to keep track of expenses and cash flow, everything, okay, will come with this Section 8 Landlord Certification course. It is all-in-one. It's extremely jam-packed, guys. It is 5 modules of straight information. So if you're ready to do this, you're not quite ready for the in-depthness of the coaching program, this is the best place to start. And even if you do want to do the coaching program one-on-one, this is also a great place for you to start. It's going to give you a ton of baseline information. So when you do get into my one-on-one program, you already know what direction we're going in. You already know where we're headed. And if you feel like you already have a really good baseline of information, maybe you have invested in real estate before and you don't think you need my one-on-one coaching, this is also a great place to jump in, because it'll give you a ton of information that is just going to put you so far ahead of everybody else, guys, okay? So again, I'm going to put the description in the link in the description below. Head over there. You'll have all the information you need. 5 modules, action-packed. You can watch it in your bedroom, watch it in your living room, on your way to work, whatever you're doing. Get all that information. I would suggest you take notes on absolutely everything. That way you can pass the test at the end, and then you'll get your own Section 8 Landlord certification. So, guys, please check it out. If not, leave me questions and comments below if you have any about the course, and we'll see you next time.